Hey, my name is Linzi Jess and I'm from Scotland, UK. And I'm a stay-at-home mum of 3 kids. I started my Forex journey off in January 2018. The reason I got involved in Forex was because I was looking for that online business. I was looking for something that I could do around my kids, but also to give me the success, as I had been very driven and very ambitious, and I didn't want just to be that stay-at-home mum. I wanted to have something that I had found a passion in, and that is definitely Forex for sure. So in January 2018, I came across a female traders community, and that was where I started my journey off. My mentor there had 15 years experience, and I knew she could teach me the foundations of Forex. I continued on in my journey, and as a new trader, I did struggle. And the reason I struggled was for many reasons: for mindset, discipline, the routine. These are all the things that new struggling traders have. But the piece of the puzzle that was missing for me was I didn't find my trading edge. And online, when I was doing my research, I always seen successful traders saying you had to find your trading edge to have that success. So I kept doing my research and I came across Austin Silver. I followed him for many months before I came off the fence to join ASFX. And the reason that I took the leap of faith within him was because I could see through his content on his social media that he was somebody that I could trust. He was somebody that could teach me the missing puzzle to get me that edge. So I came off the fence towards the end of last year, and I have developed so much through ASFX that now I have obviously now became the coach, and I can help others to catch the vision and gain that success that they were looking for, as I was that struggling trader. So the edge for me is the missing piece of the puzzle that I got was the risk management side. Risk management is where you are going to get that consistency within your profits. When I had first started out, my win ratio was there. I was getting the wins, but my losses was taking out the wins due to the risk management. What I have found with ASFX is the risk management is built into the system, and with the precise entries, precise exits, the risk management, the trade management, that all comes as a package with our strategies. That is the edge, and I have gained that from SFX, and I'm so privileged and grateful to have found this. And I just want traders, new traders, to get off to the right start in their journey. And for me, the right start in the journey is to find that mentor with the experience that can teach you the ways, and to get that proven successful strategy. And that's what I've found here.